to its full potential. Beat this and drop some game on the instrumental. And it's essential that you listen close and run to tell your folks that the locust spoke. First things first, since your date of birth, you've been kinda confused about what your life is worth. 50 million times your weight in gold, you gotta take control, cause fools don't let it be on. You can do anything that you wanna do. All you gotta do is put your brain into it. Take your time and educate your mind. And in the long run, I'm sure you'll find that if you walk the walk, you can talk the talk. But don't wait too long, cause life is short. And remember, no matter what they're telling you, if you try, you can be a winner too.
Keep on pushing, moving on up. Everybody, we're moving on up. Moving on up, you're a winner. You gotta keep pushing, moving on up. Everybody, we're moving on up. Moving on up, you're a winner.
Everybody rise, men and women, boys and girls. Each one teach one, but we can't save the world. All in one day, you got to take it play by play. And once you're on the path, don't you ever go astray. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. You can give a man some wisdom, but you can't make him think. Stitch in time saves 9. Dirty bird gets the worm. All you can think about is getting in touch.
Give it up for Naughty by Nature!
Hello? I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good, I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat and a 6'4" parlor. I wish I was like 6'9" so I could get with Leoshi, cause she don't know me, but yo, she's really fine. You know, I see her all the time, everywhere I go, and even in my dreams, I can scheme a way to make her mine. Cause I know she's living fat. Her boyfriend's tall and he plays ball, so how am I gonna compete with that? Cause when it comes to playing basketball, I'm always last to be picked, and in some cases never picked at all. So I just lean up on the wall, or sit up in the bleachers with the rest of the girls who came to watch they man ball. Dag y'all, I never understood black, why the jocks get the fly girls, and me I get the hood rats. I tell them scat, skittles, kabobble, got hit with a bottle, and put in a hospital for talking that mess. I confess it's a shame when you living in a city that's the size of a box and nobody knows your name. Glad I came to my senses, like quick, got sick to my stomach, overcome it by thoughts of me and her together, right? So when I asked her out, she said I wasn't that type. I wish I was a little bit taller, I wish I was a baller, I wish I had a girl who looked good, I would call.
Reći ti da ne se tak začeti, ker po konci igre. Evo, žiš odgovar. Sem šel ti dol, kak kurac, pizda. Ne, govorite, pizda. Reći čuješ, reći njemu, kak kurac, da. Kam čuješ, rekel ćeš za mene. To pa ti pa ne govoriš, veš. Da, bi rekao, poznam. To je tvoj mlad.
Deš mirite naprej, no.
Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, you know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up.
Ich bin eine gute Zeit, aber Gott.